Liners. Liners. Check in na namin ng aming bagahe.
Dito na kayo, Tim. Kasi nakapila pa tayo dito.
Di yung baso, di saan na?
Oh,
Sinama mo. Oh, okay.
purong ka nga, kuya. Kasi nakano tayo dito, syempre. Kulit talaga. Sino ang umilang pa? Ba't umilang ka na po? Sunod. Umalis ka ba? Sumunod ka ba? Mag-bargain sa bargain sa
Check in sa aming mga gamit, guys.
suotin mo muna.
Yan, dyan kami, guys. 2776 to Manila. 2125. Lapit pa kami sa ang bag ni Daddy Olas. Ayan guys, on board na kami guys. Waiting
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is an announcement on our
Ganap
Asia's
kami, guys.
cabin baggage policy. We allow one piece of cabin baggage and one piece of personal item with a combined weight of 7 kilograms.
Ayan.
Guests carrying more than 2 pieces or exceeding the weight and dimensions would charge a gate bag fee upon boarding.
On board
Once
na
again,
kami. Malapit na
this is an announcement on our Asia's cabin baggage policy.
Namiss tato
We
guys,
only
kaya
allow
daming
one
tao.
piece of cabin baggage and one piece of personal item with a combined weight of 7 kilograms. I repeat, 7 kilograms.
Thank you for
Guests carrying more
watching
than 2
guys.
pieces or exceeding the weight and dimensions will be charged a gate bag fee upon boarding. Thank you.
Busy guys kasi habang nag-aantay kami sa oras
Good evening,
namin.
ladies and gentlemen. This is an important
Kanya-kanyang
safety announcement. Please note that charging and using of power banks is strictly prohibited on board AirAsia flights. Please keep your power bank in your person or in your seat pocket and do not place them in the cabin overhead compartment. Once again, this is an important safety announcement. Please note that charging and using of power banks is strictly prohibited on board AirAsia.
Di katabi ko Arabo. May katabi akong Arabo. Tinan mo. Oh my God. Ayan. Ito na kami sa airplane guys.
Mabuhay! We are delighted to welcome you on board Philippine Airlines. Our heartfelt thanks go to our Mabuhay Milers for your
Time check. 10:35 na po ng gabi. Lalabas lang namin guys sa airplane. Daddy ho, mamadali. Ihing-ihi na yan guys. Dito na kami sa Nia Airport. Ano ka de? Toilet? Ah, sige. Etc. boy. Adoon sa gamit. Tapos daddy, umihi pa yun eh.
Number 8 po, Tagbilaran.
Ah, ito pala, may toilet pala dito. Neng, may toilet pala dyan. CR tayo bago tayo lalabas. Waiting kami guys. Tapos daddy. Thank you for watching guys. So parating. De! Wala pa.